Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So if you're not familiar with ThreadBeast, it's a monthly clothing subscription for guys like me. I'm lazy, don't want to go to the mall, don't want to go to the store. I have a busy schedule. I do a lot of my shopping online. Found ThreadBeast, they give you your own professional stylist. You go to a website, you fill out a bunch of, they ask you a lot of questions and stuff like that. You give your pant size, length, shirt size, belt size. Just you give them a lot of information. Then you kind of give them. They have styles where you choose like bright or bold or kind of what your style is. Then you can send them like pictures of what you normally wear, your typical style of what you're looking for. You can send them pictures or links to like what other styles you've liked that you've seen that they give. But they kind of like shop like Primitive, Diamond. They shop at specific stores, so it might not be for you. Like some of it's not for me. Some of it I actually kind of like. It's different. It's outside my comfort zone, or like it's not something I would typically buy that end up looking good on me. So far the wife has approved of most of the stuff. She said my last pair of shoes was kind of ugly, but you know, I haven't even worn them yet, so who knows. But anyways, this is actually, they have different tiers from premium to the top of the line, which is the baller program, which is what I normally get. However, I have to thank you, my subscribers, because yet another person has successfully filled out and ordered a monthly subscription using my link. So it's kind of weird. You have to click on a link. It gives you a code that's only good until like midnight. And then you have to basically use that code and the link that is in that same website. Click on the link and it brings you to their main page where you can order. So it's kind of annoying in that aspect. What's also a downside to that link and code is if you want to do the baller subscription, you have to email them or call them. You can't order the baller program off of their website. It's like their prestigious program, so it is more expensive. You also don't have to get it every month. You can like set it to like every 3 months. You can put it on hold for like a couple months or whatever, which is what I did. I should be getting another box. I think this coming month they're gonna get another baller box. So I kind of put a break on it a little bit just to kind of give time. I don't need that many clothes anymore, and plus I got other stuff going on for my car. So anyways, you want to see what I got. So this is my free box. I didn't pay for this. It is just a free, I guess, $50 referral stuff that you get when someone uses your referral link. Now, mind you, I didn't plan on doing this just to get referrals, which is kind of cool that you guys use it. So if you do plan on signing up, use the link below. Okay, so this is different. I don't know the brand. So I know some people have made fun of me in the video like descriptions. I don't care. I'm not offended by it at all. I know I have a receding hairline. I don't care. I know I have some chipped teeth. I don't care. I really don't. See, my wife loves me, and you know what? It's all that matters. I really don't care. But it's got bugs on it. So I don't know all the brands in that. This is WEZC. So if you know that brand, I have no idea. It's designed in Sweden. This is a large. Like I've said in the past, I am normally a medium. However, if they know that a shirt runs big or runs small, so that's why this is large, because it runs small, so it'll fit perfectly. I can see lining up with my shoulders, this is perfect for me. The next thing is going to be finally a pair of shorts. It's summer. I've been wanting them to send a pair of shorts forever, and they just now finally did. So I don't know if these are exactly my style of shorts. I will try them on eventually. But Super Dry International. So that's called Super Dry is the name of the company. These are the right size. So that's the shorts. Has pockets in the back, and then it has this weird little pocket here where you can put like a lighter or whatever in there. And then the last thing that this comes with is a catch these Never heard of it, but that's your hat. I'm not a big hat person. I don't know why. I just never really was a fan of wearing hats and stuff like that. Maybe I should try starting to wear hats, but I don't think it's my style. You know, hide my receding hairline that I talked about. But anyways, that's everything I got. Thank you, ThreadBeast. Thank you, my followers, my subscribers, for supporting my channel and using my referral links and stuff like that. It's greatly appreciated. I'm very thankful for it. I also got 2,000 subscribers finally, which is awesome. Hopefully I continue to grow. I got a lot more car stuff coming in the near future, so I'll be starting to try to do some more of that over the weekends and stuff like that. But thank you and take care.